Today I'm going to unbox Infinix S5, which have 4 GB of RAM and 64 gigs of storage. It has 6.6 inches of display, 32 megapixel main sensor, and 4 AI cameras on the backside, 4000 mAh battery, 3D face beauty, and face unlock and fingerprint sensor. It has Helio P22 processor. Let's unbox it. First we have the customer care card, then we have the mobile phone, SIM injector tool, user manual guide, and a silicone case to protect your mobile phone. A power brick and a cheap looking headset. And a micro USB cable for charging your mobile phone. This is the most satisfying part of unboxing the mobile phone. A hole punch of camera. Samsung call it the hole punch camera. Four cameras on the back and fingerprint sensor on the center of the backside above the Infinix logo. Infinix logo on the startup. We really need to protect this mobile phone because it's not mine, it's my friend's phone. So XOS Cheetah, and then this massive 6.6 inches display, which is unfortunately 720p. They have some really cool wallpapers to hide that camera on the top left side of the screen. Infinix has its own launcher which I really don't like because it has ton of ads, and then it has ton of third-party application that I really don't want to use, but you cannot uninstall that. I don't know why Infinix has to do something with that, because they are very much space consuming and they are not very well working like third-party browser, two or three browsers in these mobile phones. It's a headache. In camera department, we have four cameras. This is macro camera, and then we have the simple camera, the AI camera, and then wide angle camera to take widest pictures, and then bokeh effect, AR shot. If you really love the Snapchat filters, then this will help you too. It has its own theme store. It is currently running on Android 9 Pie. If you see, there are patterns on the backside which really looks cool. And if you like the video, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for new videos because I really need subscriber.